Sometimes we add certain characters that are not professional, or maybe we have seen that we need to vary the words used at the beginning of each post. Unfortunately, WordPress doesn't offer options that allow you to perform advanced searches like this. That's why, we want to show you how easy and quick it is to filter all your posts by the initial letter or character of the content using the WooCommerce Customer Spreadsheet plugin. This plugin will help you save time by allowing you to filter and edit your customer data in minutes. It also allows you to import or export CSV files to apply bulk edits in Excel or Google Sheets. You can find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you'll find the link to our written guide. After you have downloaded and installed the plugin, you'll see the list of all your posts like this. Each post is displayed in each row, organized in different columns. Now, let's see how to filter our posts by their content initial letter or character. To do this, we'll open the search tool. Then, enable the advanced filters. Choose content as the field key. Select the operator, starts with. Now enter the initial letter or character you're looking for. And run the search to see all the posts whose content starts with the letter selected. Undoubtedly, using the Posts, Pages, and Custom Post Types Spreadsheet plugin is the best option for filtering, bulk editing, exporting, importing and more. The best thing is that it is very easy to use, and you save a lot of time. Remember that in the video description you will find the links to download the plugin and to see our written guide. We have live chat support and a blog with hundreds of tutorials if you need help. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.